A very good evening and warm welcome to each and everyone present here. I am your host, Sahiba Dayal, and I'm going to be your company throughout this event. So, ladies and gentlemen, I once again extend a very warm and beautiful welcome to everyone on this event, Make in India Emerging Leaders 2021. So, before we begin, just to check the energy, how excited are we? एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Round of applause, everyone. Come on. All right, ladies and gentlemen, before I invite our next speaker, I think it is the time that we call the eminent personality we have tonight with us to give away the awards. So as we all know, as difficult as it is to choose the person to receive the award, it is equally difficult to choose the person who would be giving away the award, because it has to be somebody of a very eminent post. So ladies and gentlemen, tonight we have with us a very talented, skilled actor, to whom comedy comes naturally, and I'm sure we might have a few fans as well, and has been entertaining us from past many years through his entertaining Bollywood movies. Well, I'm talking about none other than Sharman Joshi. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Here we have our special guest to give away the awards, Mr. Sharman Joshi. A very warm welcome, sir. We all have been waiting for you eagerly. So a few words from Mr. Sharman Joshi.
Good evening, everyone. Pleasure being in here. Make in India Emerging Leaders. An endeavor I think we are all very proud of, and we all acknowledge that it's possibly the need of the hour. Rather, definitely the need of the hour. India set on an anvil for big things, and God willing, it'll all turn out to be a reality, and we can reap the benefits of the progress of this great country in the coming years.
Most Promising Company of the Year IT Solution Award goes to Pragmatic TechSoft Private Limited, Shabir Shohil Merchant. Please join us on stage. Now moving forward, let me have the honor to invite our next speaker, which is Mr. Shabir Shohil Merchant, founder and CEO of Pragmatic TechSoft Private Limited. I request everyone to please welcome him with a round of applause.
Hello everyone, I am Shabir Merchant, founder and CEO of Pragmatic TechSoft. So Pragmatic TechSoft essentially helps MSMEs do digital transformation, and we essentially help companies achieve the last mile of business process automation and implementation. We have been doing this for the past 10 plus years and really helping MSMEs in India and abroad to grow. And as a business leader, I think if you take care of your customers and your employees, as well as the underprivileged around you in your society, I think you can not only achieve great heights, but also have the satisfaction to be a great leader. I really want to thank IBAC for giving this opportunity to speak over here. And I just want to say that the Make in India, I think, is really impactful, as it allows us to actually create hundreds and thousands of jobs within India, and I think that can catapult our economy ahead. So thank you everyone, and enjoy the evening.